Well, let's just bring you the latest news from the United Nations General Assembly, which has, in the last minute or so, voted to demand an immediate ceasefire in Gaza. The votes were as follows: 153 voted in favour, 10 against, and there were 23 abstentions in that. You might remember that the Security Council, 15 members of the Security Council, have previously voted on this, and the US voted against, the UK abstained. So the UN demanding an immediate humanitarian ceasefire in the Israel-Hamas war after more than three-quarters of the 193-member General Assembly backed the move, which had been vetoed by the US in the Security Council last week. A non-binding vote, but it comes after comments from Joe Biden, privately speaking to donors earlier this evening, suggesting that Benjamin Netanyahu must change tack and that the indiscriminate bombing in Gaza was prompting Israel to lose international support. Biden going on to describe the Israeli Prime Minister's coalition government as the most conservative government in Israel's history. It doesn't want a two-state solution. He said Netanyahu has a tough decision to make. I think he has to change. This government in Israel is making it very difficult for him to move. So some distance there, if I can put it that way, with Joe Biden this evening speaking about Mr. Netanyahu.